Ever wondered if your email addiction could actually pay off? Well, buckle up because we're about to dive into the wild world of making money by reading emails. Yes, you heard it right. Your eyes aren't playing tricks on you, and no, I haven't lost my marbles yet. First things first, you need to find legitimate websites that offer paid email reading opportunities. It's like online dating, but instead of looking for love, you're looking for a website that won't scam you. Just remember, if a website promises you the moon and stars for reading emails, it's probably too good to be true. Next, you'll need to sign up and provide some basic information. It's like creating a profile on a dating site, except this time, you're not trying to impress anyone with your love for long walks on the beach and your cooking skills. Once you've signed up, you'll start receiving emails. You know, just like the ones from your aunt who sends you every funny cat video she comes across. But instead of cute felines, these emails will contain ads, surveys, and other offers. Each time you open an email, cha-ching, you earn money. Now, if you're feeling adventurous, you can also participate in surveys. It's like a blind date. You never know what you're going to get, but at least you're getting paid for it. Remember though, there's a minimum payout threshold. It's like a nightclub. They won't let you in until you're dressed to impress. In this case, you need to have accumulated a certain amount of earnings before you can cash out. Once you've reached the threshold, it's time to cash out. You can request a payout via PayPal, gift cards, or checks, depending on the platform's payment options. It's like payday, but without the dreadful wait. Now, it's crucial to be cautious when signing up for such programs. It's like accepting candy from strangers. You need to ensure the platform is reputable and has positive user reviews. And finally, keep your expectations realistic. Earning money from reading emails is like finding loose change in your couch. It's nice to have, but you're not going to get rich from it. So, in a nutshell, making money by reading emails is a real thing, but it's more of a side hustle than a get-rich-quick scheme. It's like finding $1 in your old jeans, not like winning the lottery. But hey, $1 is $1, right?